The power of negation. Understanding would not and wouldn't in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we will delve into an important grammar aspect, modal verbs, with a special focus on would, particularly its negative form, would not, or the contraction, wouldn't. This will help you understand the subtleties of the English language better and make your conversations more fluent and accurate. Remember, this is not just about saying no, but how we say it. First, let's clarify what would is. Would is a modal verb often used to talk about a possible situation that has not happened or to talk about another time, such as the past or the future. It is also used to give advice, make requests, or state preferences. For example, I would go to the party, but I am tired. When we want to express a negative scenario with would, we use the form would not, or its contraction, wouldn't. The structure is very straightforward. Subject plus would not, wouldn't plus base form of the verb. Here's an example. I wouldn't go to the party, I am tired. You might be asking yourself, when should I use would not or wouldn't? In spoken English, wouldn't is more commonly used because it's less formal and more natural in everyday conversations. Would not tends to be used in more formal or emphatic contexts. For instance, in everyday conversation, we might say, I wouldn't eat that if I were you. However, in a formal speech, you might hear, I would not advocate for such a policy. Let's practice some more examples. She wouldn't talk to him after the argument. They would not be happy with this decision. I wouldn't forget this moment. We would not recommend this hotel to our friends. Mastering the use of would not and wouldn't is key to enhancing your English communication skills. It enables you to express refusal, disagreement, or denial in both formal and informal situations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these modal verbs in your daily English practice. We hope this video was helpful for you. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons on English language learning. Happy learning, everyone!